Welcome. You've been carrying too much that was never yours to begin with. Let's return. Return to stillness. Return to your center. Return to your true frequency. Close your eyes. Let your shoulders drop. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold. And exhale softly through your mouth. Again, inhale light. Exhale the noise. Begin to scan your body from crown to toes. Notice the energy. Where are you holding tension? With each breath, imagine soft waves of light gently washing over you. Relax your forehead. Unclench your jaw. Soften your belly. Let the earth hold you. You don't need to hold everything anymore. Now visualize a golden beam of light entering the top of your head. This is Source, your divine remembrance. Let it travel down your spine, into your chest, your stomach, all the way into the soles of your feet. As this light moves, it clears out static, fear, and illusion. Anything that doesn't resonate with your truth gently dissolves and returns to the earth. Now tune into the space above your head, your crown chakra. Feel a soft presence, loving, wise, ancient. This is you, the you beyond timelines, the you who remembers. Let them speak to you now, perhaps with words, perhaps with light, perhaps with stillness. Now, repeat silently or repeat aloud if you wish. I remember who I am. I am safe to shine in my full light. My energy is sovereign and sacred. I release the need to be understood. I align with peace, not performance. My life unfolds in divine timing. I trust my journey. I trust myself. I trust the universe within me. My frequency is my protection and my magnet. My aura is expansive, loving, and grounded. I return to my true self now. Begin to return to your physical space, but take your frequency with you. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Feel the ground beneath you. Place one hand over your heart and the other over your belly. Thank yourself for showing up, for choosing presence over pressure, for remembering who you are. Now, when you are ready, open your eyes gently. You are clear. You are whole. You are back. Welcome home, beautiful soul.